Hey guys, Cyberdinner here, and in this week's video I have my July Antipodean witch box. So as you can see, it was a little bit smooshed in transit, which is the fault of the courier service. They usually send it through Sendle. Sometimes it's with Ozpost and sometimes it's with Couriers Please. I personally do not like Couriers Please because obviously, but hopefully everything is okay on the inside, so let's find out, shall we? Ooh, it's very pretty inside. I am a big sucker for greens and teals and light blues, so this is beautiful. It also smells really strong. Once again, as I say in pretty much every video, I'm bad with smells. Please don't ask me what it smells like, because I can't tell you. So we have our pamphlet which says Whale Moon, the 5th of July, which is tomorrow night, I think tonight when I'm uploading this. So we'll leave that until the end. So the first item we have is this little pin, which is the triple moon with a pentacle, and it is very cute. And then we have a piece of opalite. So the planet is the moon, the element is water, and the attributes are resilience, transformation, self-empowerment, and self-esteem. I really like this shape. It's almost a cube and it is very cute. Oh cool. We have a piece of sea glass. So we have a piece of sea glass. The planet is the moon, the element is water. The attributes are resilience, strength, endurance, and amplification. This is a really pretty blue color as well. I don't own any sea glass, so this is a really special piece. We have some Atlantic kelp. The planet is Jupiter. The element is water. The attributes are resilience, travel, and protection. Oh, that smells just like the ocean. It smells like being at the beach, 100%. We have some Irish moss. The planet is moon, element water. Attributes are resilience, prosperity, money, luck, and protection. This also smells like the beach, just a bit less salty. We have some bladderwrack granules. The planet is the moon, the element is water, the attributes are resilience, prosperity, protection, and weatherworking. This doesn't have too strong of a smell, so it's nothing too strong, which is nice. We have our consecrated salt scrub for resilience. This is what the box kind of smells like, which I would kind of say is a little bit soapy. have a little piece of paper that just says that there might not be any candles. So it's just a little no candles. Sorry, witch, the candles were lost in transit and aren't in the box this month. We'll be adding extra candles to next month's box to make up for it. We have our incense cones. Oh, they smell really nice. I'm really not an incense person, but they actually smell okay. Then we have a wrapped item. Ooh. So, let me have a quick look. It looks like there are some shells and some sand in here. How cute. I'm not a beach person. This is very beachy and I am not a beach person. And our last item is a clamshell with a pearl. I do really like the colour of it. It's a nice sea foamy green down the bottom. And of course our sigil and affirmation for resilience. I know that my strength is in knowing when to stand strong and when to yield. I nurture my resilience with reasoned and compassionate boundary setting and decision making. I trust myself and know I have the strength to weather any storm. Alrighty, so let's go through the pamphlet. So we have the almanac for July 2020. July 5th is the full moon, the whale moon. July 12th is the last quarter. The 21st is the new moon, and the 27th is the first quarter. So in this box we have our sea magic spell jar. So this jar has beach sand in it with ethically gathered shells and has been cleansed and charged in moonlight, starlight, sunshine and rain. We have our scallop with pearl. So it is made from resin with a glimmering pearl. We have our sigil and affirmation, our triple moon pin. We have our resilience bath salts. So we have our water herbs. So all of the herbs are all seaweeds. So we have the Irish moss, the Atlantic kelp, and the bladderwrack. We have our whale moon incense cones with the scents of driftwood and the sea and a blend of resins designed to evoke the essence of the moon rising over the ocean. We don't have the soy wish candles, but we do have the sea glass and the opalite. So in here we also have a seashell releasing spell and a beach moon bath. And then we also have our monthly ritual, the resilience spell jar ritual. And on the back we have our deities of resilience, which I will list in a tagged comment down below. And we also have a seaweed salad dressing recipe. Alrighty, and that is everything that I got in my July Antipodean witch box. If you guys enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!